huge thing. Look at this, you guys. It has stuff in here. So okay, we have one last bin to go, so you guys bear with me. Oh my god. And this stuff you can get for your dorm and your apartment, your home, everything, because this dorm is my home. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nima. For those who have not seen me before, for those who are returning, thank you. Welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna do another dorm haul. I know it's late, but you guys know the delivery of stuff right now is just hectic. So yeah, I had to wait for all of my stuff to come in. This is not everything I have, but I have enough at least to do a video. So here I am. So I'm a junior this time at Saginaw Valley State University. Let's see what I have. I'll try to be real quick. Half of the things are not even here, so yeah, we're just gonna do what we have. I'll try to link everything I can in the links, but most of the stuff I got in store from Amazon, IKEA, I have BOOHOO, I have H&M. Like, I have a lot of places that I got these things for, and they're really good. Like, I cannot wait for you guys to see them. So yeah, if you want to see what I got from my dorm this year, watch it till the end of this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and let's get into it. Okay, first we have this gigantic mirror right here. It is really big. You guys can see, like, it's a really full-length mirror. Hi. But yeah, don't mind the mess that is the video I'm about to do. So yeah, this is the mirror I got from IKEA. Yeah, it was sold out. Girl, to get stuff from IKEA, it's a hassle. So yeah, this is the first thing we have. It's a mirror. Look at it. It is really huge and I love it. I cannot wait to make content in it. But yeah, and here is what I have so far, my editing settings. So these are all the stuff. I have this big bin. It has everything inside there. You'll see in a minute. And this other storage bin has all the stuff in there. So let's get into it. I'm not gonna go in any order because things are just scattered right now and everything is in either bins or like big baskets, so I'm just gonna go randomly whatever's in front of me. That's why I'm gonna get it out. Okay, so first I have some kitchen stuff right here. I got a clear plate, I got a clear bowl, I got a coffee mug, I got a juice glass, and I have a wine glass, champagne, I don't know, and I have a mini cutting board with a knife. It's in the kitchen. I just have one side because it's just one person, so I just have one of each, which is just life-saving and it's just space-saving in the dorms because you don't have a lot of space and you're sharing a dorm. So yeah, this is what I have for my kitchen stuff. Yeah, and I got all this stuff from Walmart. They were each 99 cents, if not $1 for each, so that's a good deal. Okay, next thing, I have this plant grass right here. So it comes with a vase. I got this a long time ago before I even have everything I have right now. So yeah, but these, I got these pampers, I don't know. I got these pampers grass from IKEA as well. They were like $16 or $12 for the whole bunch, I think. $6 for the whole bunch, I think. So yeah, it's really like messy. Like, if you just move it around, it shades everything. But I just had it to decorate my dorm because yeah, I have like a new theme right now. You guys will see it in my dorm haul. Okay, next we have this laundry bag. It's a laundry bag with the holder with it. It's just a simple and a smaller version of a laundry bag. It just like opens up and then you put your laundries in there, the dirty laundry or whatever you want to use it for, clean or dirty. I'm gonna use it for dirty laundry. And if the bag is full, you just like hold it and then take it to the laundry bag. And this controls how much laundry load you have, like, because it's a small, so like whenever it gets full, you just have one small bag, even if it doesn't have, like, you know, the wheels. I have a big one with the wheels, but that one I got it last year, if you guys watched my last year dorm haul. Next, I got a mirror. I'm gonna like put it somewhere in my room. I don't know, I haven't know like how I'm gonna decorate it. I have a full-size mirror. I showed you guys. I'll put a picture in it, but I have other mirrors because mirrors just open up the spaces, especially tiny spaces, trust me. By the way, the theme of this dorm is white and black. I went with white and gray, and then I couldn't find anything gray I wanted. Everything was sold out, so I just went with white and black because the mirror I got, I wanted it in white, but it was sold out in white, and I couldn't leave the black one there because I probably could not get it again. I just got the black, so I changed my whole theme to white and black because that mirror is a really huge piece and it's black, so like, you know, you need to have something that complements it. So yeah, you're gonna see a lot of stuff here in white, some decorations in black. So yeah, that is my theme, just to put it out there. Then I have a mini trash can for my bathroom. It's really cute. Actually, I'm gonna put this in my dorm because yeah, it's just really cute. And yeah, then we got pillows. Ooh, these are the pillows I got from this brand. It's called Jadra. I don't know, you guys, IKEA's name, you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, these are the pillows. These are 26 by 26 euro shams. They're those like big pillows, and then you do like a Korean, what's it called, a chop, a Chinese chop, a Korean chop, I don't know what it's called, but like that big chop they do at hotels. And I want my dorm to be like hotel room. I'm getting there. So yeah, I have two of these actually, and they're all 26 by 26, and they're down pillows, so they're really fluffy, you guys. You're gonna see it in my dorm haul, like my dorm tour. They're really fluffy, you guys. Oh my god, I cannot wait. I want to open them right now so bad, but yeah, you guys will see. Then I got two more pillows. Now these are just, you know, my bed pillows, the ones I'm actually gonna sleep with. I have 6 pillows in my bed, but I'm only gonna be using one to sleep with. These are from from the Beckham collection, I believe, on Amazon. Everyone is raving about them. I haven't tried them, but they're like Amazon bestseller, like Amazon Stories, something like that. So I got them. They're like 2 for $39 or $29. I'm not really sure. 35, I don't really know, but yeah, these are the queen sizes because I could not get the standards. Okay, and then I have picture frames. I have this big one. It has like 3 compartments, so you can either put like 1 full picture or just put 3 pictures, which is what I guess I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna put it this way or this way. And then I have these 2 other big frames. All these are from the brand called Robe, and I got them from IKEA. I will link them down below if they're still in stock. Okay, next thing I got is not really a dorm thing, but it's in my dorm, and this is my dorm haul. So yeah, I got this Vanity Planet Senia hot and cold smart facial steamer. You guys know Vanity Planet, or you've seen it on all your ads on Instagram. So yeah, I had to get one because I love steamer. Now I will do a separate video how I use this, or like just an unboxing open. If you guys want to see that, comment down below and I'll do that, but I just wanted to put it in there because it's what I got for my dorm. Okay, I have a big bin right here. Okay, now for decorations, I have these vase. Oh my god, you guys, I got a lot of vases. I feel like I have an apartment, but I have a dorm. This is what it looks like inside. It's really pretty, you guys. Look at that. It has those abstract drawings, you guys. It's like a big trend right now. So yes, it has like really cute ugly face, but that is how it's supposed to be, and it's really nice. I don't know what I'm gonna put it in, but you can just, you know, put it on your shelf without anything. So, and I got this from BOOHOO, by the way. Yeah, BOOHOO has home stuff too, so you guys check them out, and their stuff are not even expensive. So yeah, speaking of vases, here's another one. I have this really giant matte beige vase. It's really nice. Like, look at that, the art. Look at the art. Like, it's really beautiful, you guys. I could not resist myself. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, you guys, but I could not resist myself. I got this one from H&M Home. So yeah, again, do not sleep on this brand. Don't just buy clothes from them. They have some really cute home styles, and I got this online, and they shipped it on a well packaging manner. Like, I was impressed. Here's the second one. Again, I got this from H&M as well. Don't sleep on them. It's a really nice vase. Packaging was really good. And yeah, I have here other vases. I think these are tiny ones, and they come in a pack of 3. I got these from BOOHOO. So this is the first one, this is the other one, this is the second one, this is the third one. So like, you can decorate, like, you know, in pack of 3s. Okay, now let's come to this huge thing. Look at this, you guys. It has stuff in here. So let me just go real quick. Now this, let me tell a quick story. So I was on Instagram, and then I saw this ad, like, if you spend $20 on Grove Collaborative, they have like some cleaning supplies. I guess a company for the cleaning supplies. If you spend $20, you get a free sponge, free room spray, you get a free dishwashing hand soap, disinfective spray, I think, and you get a toilet sink cleaner, and then you get 4 rolls of bamboo toilet papers. You get all those stuff for free if you spend $20. I was like, okay, I had just moved in and I needed, you know, cleaning supplies real quick, so I just did that, and then I got the whole bunch of stuff, which is a really good deal, you guys. So I'm just gonna show you what I got for free. So this is the room spray thing I got. This is the one I actually spent the money to make $20. I don't know how much this was, but yeah, you get this, and you get a bottle with it, like a diffuser thing that, you know, comes with it to make your room smell so nice. And then I got this, has toilet paper inside, so you get like 4 rolls of toilet paper, and then you get 3 sets of the Mayors cleaning supplies. I don't know if it's called Mayors, whatever that is. So you get a multi-surface everyday cleanser, 16 fluid ounces. You get a hand soap made with olive oil and aloe vera, 12.5 ounces, and you get a dish soap, 16 fluid ounces. And then you get 2 packs of like the scrubs to scrub your dishes, whatever. They're really nice. And then this is the toilet method and antibacterial toilet cleaner. This is what I got also for free. Okay, now we're moving on to the bedding collection. Again, I got these pillowcases, and I think I got this from the Amazon Basics home. Yeah, I think I got this from Amazon Basics, but they're like 2 queen size pillowcases. They feel so good. They are white classic hotel collection, and they really feel like premium. I'll link everything I got online in the description box if you guys want to get them. And this stuff you can get for your dorm and your apartment, your home, everything, because I have, you know, like the vases. You can get those for your home, you can get those for your apartment. So this is like an inclusive haul really, but this is stuff I'm gonna put in my dorm. Also, I got a wall clock. This was $1. This was $1 at IKEA, you guys. It's really nice, and it's transparent, so like it has some like holes on the numbers, so if you put it in like a colored wall, it will show underneath. And then I have more picture frames. These are 4. I already have pictures in them. I've just printed these on my own. So I have one is just a leaf, this one is Marilyn Monroe, and then I have a world map, and I have moon phases. I got these from Target. They're like $4.99 each, or like $3.99 each. So yeah. Then I have these blessed kind of wood thing just to decorate my dorm. Then we have satin pillowcases. I got these from BOOHOO. They were, I believe, $8. They're just basic. I mean, satin is satin really to me. I don't really care, but yeah. Then I have a Robe bubble up soap dispenser and dish brush set. This is another free I got from the group I was just showing you. The dishwasher thing is really stiff, and then you get oh yeah, it's like I don't know what this is, but yeah, so this is how it is, and isn't that so cute? Like I literally just spent $20 to get the room spray and the toilet cleaning, I think, and I got all this other stuff for free, which if you had bought separately this stuff, you would have spent probably roughly $50-$60. Okay, next we have the room spray bottle. So I showed you the room spray liquid that you put in the room spray bottle. So this is what it looks like, and it's glass. I love the color, you guys. I didn't know it was glass. So yeah, it's just a bottle for your spray. You can just put the spray inside, whatever you get from Amazon, like from Walmart, Target, anywhere. You can just put it in here and then spray your room. Then we have, oh yeah, these are pillowcases. You guys, I love how Amazon packages the stuff. I got 2 pair of pillowcases. I just opened one to show you guys, but this is what it's in here basically. So these are the Eurosham pillowcases for the big Eurosham pillows. I show you guys the one you can do like a carrot chop. Oh, it's carrot chop. So yeah, they have like black lining on the outline, which is, oh my god, I cannot wait, you guys, I cannot wait. And then for this basket we get this big like I don't know what you call it, whatever you want to call this. It's a woven basket, kind of like that. So this is just, you know, for the looks. I'm gonna be putting, you know, like some extra throw pillows, extra throw blankets like beside my bed when I sleep, and when I'm taking my Euroshams, my 6 pillows that I don't need, and put them here while I sleep on 1 pillow that I have. So I got this from IKEA. It was really nice. It was $24. Amazon has the good ones though, but okay, we have one last bin to go, so you guys bear with me. Oh my god. Okay, I have a set of hangers. I got this from IKEA. I already have 2 sets of these. They come in 8, so I have 16, so I needed to add 8 more because they're just really good and they're just white, and they're $8 $8 or $6. I'm not really sure, but they're really cheap for the quality. Go for them. Then I have this metal shower caddy. So this is just like to put over the shower thing, and then you can put all your stuff in there, and then it needs just assembling. Right now it doesn't look like how it's supposed to be when you put it up. I'll put a picture, insert a picture if they have it already assembled, but stuff. We don't have a communal bathroom, we just have our own bathroom, like, you know, 2 bathrooms and for 2 people, so you know, it's just us. I just have to put it in my bathroom and I'm done. Then I have these 3-piece dishwasher washing sponges. I got them from IKEA. They're just really nice and really cute. They were like 9 cents, so why not. And then I have these Overmat I don't know what they're called, Overmat silicone cases kind of thing, not phone cases. These are really nice. I saw this on one of Lexi's video. If you guys know Lexi, she does amazing videos about colleges. So what they are is just like a mat with silicone. So when you, let's say you have juice, or you have like an half cut fruit like an avocado, they have like a cucumber here and like an orange, it's half, and you want to put it in your fridge instead of like wrapping it around in like a Ziploc or like putting it in a paper bag or anything. You take these and, like, you know, they stretch. You just put it over the open thing you have, put it in the fridge. Like, that was so amazing because I never finish my drinks in a glass. Like, I always have put an open glass in the fridge. So now I have this mat. They're just life-saving, and I'm glad I got this. They were 9 cents, you guys. Just go get them at IKEA. Okay, next I have king size duvet cover. Again, I got this from IKEA. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that name. If you want to take a screenshot, go ahead. I'll also insert a picture and put a link in the description. So this also has like black outlining on the outside. It's going to match the Euro shams I just showed you, if you guys are paying attention. But yeah, the next thing I have is a pillowcase. This is for my throw pillows. I have a throw pillow backlist. You can see it. If you don't, you will see it on my dome haul. So it's black. It's actually dark gray and white, but it looks black, so it's just gonna match with, like, you know, my theme black and white. But yeah, I just got one of it. But yeah, then I have a bedspread. I got this from IKEA as well, 59 by 98 inches. And yeah, I got a bedspread. Next I have a shoe rack thing that you put over the door. It was $9, no, $6.99 at IKEA. Again, I get it from IKEA. I'm gonna put it inside my closet because I have a lot of shoes. So yeah. Then I got a lint roller. It was $1. I have this toilet brush, it was 90 cents. I have this organizer, it was $1, I think, if not 99 cents. And then I have this cute glass. I'm gonna put like some hand soap instead of having like, you know, the ugly containers from the hand soap they have. Then I have a robe. I got this from IKEA as well. It was $9, I think. It's just a small to medium robe. I haven't tested it, tried out to see like how it feels, but so far it feels just so nice and I cannot wait to have a robe. You guys, I love robes. Last thing in this bin, we have this big sign that says home, because this dorm is my home. As I said, you guys, I spend 99% in my dorm, so this is just my home. I'm trying to make it as comfortable as how I was like in my room back home. So yeah, I just have like some extra batteries if I need batteries for anything. The last thing is this storage bin. I got this from IKEA because I needed a storage bin just to put everything I had. It wasn't like really something I was gonna use in my bedroom, but again, it's storage. You need a storage, as much storage as you can in your dorm. Whoever is watching this, get as much storage as you can. Even if you don't have a lot of things, it's gonna save you a lot of time and a lot of space, and thank me later. So yeah, I got this from IKEA. I think it was $5 or $6. So if you want one, just go grab it. It doesn't have a lid though, so keep that in mind. And that, you guys, was the end of this video. Oh my god, I'm so tired. That was a lot of stuff, but yeah, this is what I have for now. I have a lot of stuff that's not even shipped yet. Like, I have a big shelf. I'm gonna put a picture here where all those vases are gonna go, but yeah, it's gonna come here. You're gonna see it in my dorm room tour. Don't forget, you know guys, my dorm room tours are the best out there. They are the best out there, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any college videos I make. So yeah, this is it for you guys. If I have anything else, I'll keep updating you guys what I got from my dorm, or the other things you just see in my dorm room tour, because yeah, I have a lot of things. I have like 10-20 things coming from IKEA, which ships forever, but yeah, you know, it is what it is. So yeah, that was all for this video. Don't forget to like and comment, subscribe. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know down in the comments if you're going to college, if you're just staying at home. Just let me know. Even if you're not going to college, you can buy these things for your home and for your apartment as well. But yeah, so I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh, wouldn't that be nice if that was